Hi, I'm London and this is Chad.
Hi, friends! Are you ready to learn?
Take a look at some words you will see today. We call them sight words. Say them with us slowly. Bird. Look. See.
Big. Tree. Now, let's listen to the story about the little yellow bird you will see.
Little bird can fly. Bird sees blue sky. Sky looks very big. Bird sings sweet song. Bird finds small tree. Tree feels safe now. Bird rests all day. Bird sleeps peacefully.
Now, let's read the sight words again, but this time we will read them even slower. Ready? Bird. B-I-R-D. Next word, look. L-O-O-K. C-S-E-E.
Okay, it's my turn. Let's say the next word. Slower. Big. B-I-G. Tree. T-R-E-E. And the last word. Now. N-O-W.
Let's have a bit of fun. What color is the bird? Did you say yellow? You are absolutely correct. Correct just means you are right.
What else can Yellowbird do? Yellowbird can flap his wings, can't he? Can you flap your wings like Yellowbird? Let's do it.
How do you think Yellowbird talks? Does he sing like a bird?
Talk or sing like Yellowbird.
Let's take a look around in the room. Can you point to something yellow like Yellowbird?
Don't go away. We have another story for you. But first, let's look at some more sight words. Ready? First word. Love. Day. Smile. Little. Kids. And the last word, play. I'm excited to hear the next story now. It's the story with a tiny bunny.
Tiny bunny loves carrots. Sunny day brings smiles. Little kids play outside. Red ball rolls away. Friendly dog runs fast. Kids laugh very loud. Mom calls everyone home. Warm milk waits inside. Bedtime stories feel cozy. Dreams dance all night.
Great job! You are coming along nicely. Ready for something else now?
Sometimes big kids use a tiny word before a thing. They say the, like the bird or the sky. Now you try. Say it with me. Tree. The tree. Girl. The girl.
Boy. The boy. Let's make a good sentence from a few sight words from our story.
Little bird can fly becomes the little bird can fly.
Sky looks very big becomes the sky looks very big. Okay, it's time for one more video. Then we will learn a couple of things and you can get ready for your next activity.
This time, let's look at sight words with the in front of them, like we learned from the last video. Ready?
Let's listen to the last story now.
Tiny cat chases butterflies. Blue sky smiles today. Happy kids clap hands. Soft grass feels nice. Birds sing sweet songs. Picnic basket opens now. Juice spills little drops. Everyone giggles together again. Sun waves goodbye slowly. Home feels safe tonight.
We are almost done, my friends. We will make a few sentences with the, and we will be done for this video, okay?
All you have to do now is put the in front of the whole sentence. Ready? Please like and share this video. Please subscribe our channel if you like the video. The Read Along series with Chad in London.